Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to do face verification on ID.me. In order to do face verification on ID.me, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So basically a face verification means a liveness check. So in that case you have to go ahead and verify your face just to make sure that the documents you have provided belongs to you. So in that case you have to first of all open up your ID.me account, and when you're logged into your account, from the profile section go ahead and select my accounts. As you do that, so basically to do a face verification you have to wait for the agent to call you, and after that you can do a face verification through a video call just to make sure to check your liveness. And then when the face verification is completed or when the call ends, indicating that your face verification has been completed. Now the pro tip, while you are actually doing a face verification, make sure not to wear any sort of props, makeup or hats. Just make sure to be as natural as possible, and that's gonna complete your verification in just a couple of seconds. So that's how you can do a face verification on ID.me. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.